Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue our journey in a must-try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 37, I will show you the CanBorder, which is a pretty easy, pretty straightforward application where we can create our own design for any project. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep getting content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. And first, as usual, we are going to the Canva app marketplace and check what this application offering for us. So CanBorder, beautiful borders. Finding the perfect border for your design can be hard. Why not generate it yourself exactly how you want it? Select the size, width, color, type, and even the blurriness of your border. So it sounds good. The only small thing which is a bit misleading, here these gradient borders, I think that's not even possible in this application at the moment. Hope so, that will be in a later stage. So the application was developed by the Canbox Design. Thank you very much, highly appreciated. This is also a pretty easy, pretty nice. I like this easygoing applications, which has only actually just one function, but for this one function is perfect. So I'm going back to the project. So I already inserted a logo into the Canva. Go into the app selection and searching for CanBorder. Here is the CanBorder. This is the application. So when we open it, we have two main options, solid or dashed borders. I keep it as a solid. And here is the function like border color. This is what I mentioned. At the moment, doesn't look like we can create any gradient border, but you never know. In a later stage, this might be will be possible. So just choose this green. We can create a margin. I think this is a kind of size. We can change the thickness. And also realized, I don't know why, immediately one border is added to the design with a basic color what we choose. This is not the best thing, I think, but that's easy to remove. So that's not a big issue, just a small disadvantage. So, but if you think this is the old function, that's not true. We have these advanced settings. So we can change the aspect ratio from 1:1, 4:3, 3:4, 16:9, or 4:5. We also can rounding the corners and we can blur it. And now I just add into the design. So I'm going to the position, layers. This is how we can get rid of this first border which is added. So I did this, and now I'm going up. I need a bit darker green, I think, with a bit higher thickness, just to 20, 21, okay. And also add it to this design. Because it's the same size, of course, it will be a same as the original one. So going to the arrange, middle, center, and layers. Other is also here. Okay. So this is how easy to use this application. We can create nice unique borders. I know we can do it also in other ways. in a Canva manipulating frames, objects, but with this application, it's just easier. So this is why it's highly recommended, this application, and I highly appreciate it for the developers to develop this easygoing application. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.